In this video, I'll show you how to make a video in Canva. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click Create a Design and choose Video, or search for video in the search bar to open a video project. Next, choose a video template if you want a quick starting point, or begin with a blank canvas. Add your own photos and video clips by clicking Uploads, or browse the Elements and Videos tabs to use Canva's built-in content. Now, customize your video by adding text, graphics, transitions, and animations. You can drag clips to rearrange them on the timeline, trim their length, and adjust the timing of each scene to match your project. After that, click the play button to preview your video. If needed, make any final changes to the text, animations, or clip order until you're happy with the result. Finally, click the Share button, select Download, choose MP4 video, and save the finished video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a video in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.